My name is Ajeng and I want to tell you about my family. In my family, there are 5 people. There is my father, my mother, my sister, and my brother. But my father and my mother has passed away. Now, I live with my sister. My sister got married and now she is pregnant. My sister, older than me, she is 25 years old, and my brother, who is younger than me, he is 10 years old and now was in elementary school. I live in city of Malang with my brother, my sister, and my sister's husband. I have a grandmother. She is living in the city of Trenggalek.